Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tech Fanatic. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Kali Live so that you can run Kali Linux on your computer without fully installing it to your hard disk. Now, what is Kali, you might ask? Kali Linux is a Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Kali contains several hundred tools which are geared towards various information and security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. It's also useful to know how to use Linux, just in case you might ever need it. To get started, just go to kali.org. Make sure that this is the real Kali website and not a fake one. So just go to the download page on the Kali website and go down to Kali 64-bit Live and click on that. Now it's going to download and I'll be back when it finishes. Okay guys, so now that it is done downloading, I'm going to show you how to install this onto a USB drive. So you're going to open up BalenaEtcher, which you can download from the link in the description. And then you're going to select your image. So you're going to go to your downloads folder. You're going to go to your downloads folder and you're going to find that ISO file. And you're going to open that. Okay? Then you're going to click flash. And it's going to flash it onto your USB drive. And I'll be back when this is done. Okay guys, it finished. Now your bootable USB drive is ready and you can boot your computer from it. Video on that soon. That's all for today guys. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.